we are tracking storms all across the Front Range. This is a live look from Lookout Mountain. We have seen waves of rain blow through parts of Colorado today.
Yeah, and take a look at this video from out of Colorado Springs. You can see the pea-sized hail there, followed by heavy rain. In the metro area, storms started along the Jefferson County and Douglas borders. We saw a powerful cell from Castle Rock into Parker. This is video from photographer Rob McClure. He says he was driving along. All of a sudden, a downpouring of rain, strong winds. We checked the CDOT cameras around the southern part of the metro area. We saw a lot of pooling on those roadways.
We are also seeing some damage already. Our copter was flying over southeast Bennett when it found this building with the roof ripped off. This is just off Colfax. Your First Alert meteorologist Joe Rook tracking more on where that came from and what's in store for the rest of the night.
Yeah, poor Bennett, man. We had the tornadoes a few weeks ago, and I do think more damage will be coming out of there. Fire department told us wind gusts up to about 70 miles per hour, several down trees. Now,
all right, Joe, thank you.
You heard Joe talking about Bennett there. Your reporter, Sarah Herbakowitz, has been in Bennett. And Sarah, I know you've seen all kinds of damage out there already.
Yeah, I know. I mean, like Joe said, poor Bennett. I talked with a lot of people here who said they've never seen this many storms. And I want to show you the damage right now that we're seeing at this property. We're just off 79. This roof flipped on top of itself. So that's definitely something. I mean, you can just see the winds that came through. We saw those straight line 70-mile-per-hour winds really taking effect there. And then if you look down, some siding even blown right off. So this is something we're going to continue to watch tonight, and something that we're really assessing as we move all across Bennett. We're going to continue having the latest updates here, and we'll bring them to you tonight at 10. Reporting in Bennett, Sarah Herbakowitz covering Colorado First.
Sarah, we appreciate you running all over the place trying to talk to those folks out there, and more to come for sure. Thank you.